Hi, my name is Susan Lemay, and I'm the Chief Assessor for the City of Lowell. This is a short video. It is intended to provide some timely information to residents about their taxes. Specifically, I want to discuss two different types of tax relief options, abatements and exemptions. The fiscal year 2021 tax rate for the City of Lowell was approved by the Department of Revenue on December 14th of 2020. Residential taxes are assessed by the Assessor's Office in City Hall, and questions related to tax assessments can be directed to my office by phone at 978-674-4200 or by email via the form on the Assessor's Department page on www.lowellma.gov. Tax bills have been mailed to all taxable property owners in the city with a due date of February 1st. To view the City of Lowell's official tax rate recalculation sheet, please visit the Department of Revenue's website. First, we're going to talk about exemptions. Over the years, the Lowell City Council has adopted a number of provisions of Mass law which allow tax rates for certain types of individuals that fit within special criteria. For all exemptions, the due date for the applications to be received by the Assessor's Office in City Hall is April 1st. All applications for exemptions must be completed in full. Every question needs to be answered on those exemptions. Forms are available to be downloaded on the city website at www.lowellma.gov. They can be found on the Assessor's webpage. Individuals who need assistance understanding or completing the forms should call my office at 978-674-4200. We are here to help you. There are 4 main exemptions available in Lowell for individuals who meet statutory criteria. They are individuals that are legally blind, for disabled veterans or a surviving spouse or parent of a deceased veteran, for elderly residents of Lowell who are over the age of 70, own their own homes and meet certain income and asset eligibility guidelines, widows or widowers or children of deceased parents. The guideline qualifications for abatements are that applicants must meet age and residency qualifications as of July 1st of any year. In most cases, the applicant must have owned and occupied real estate property in Massachusetts for 5 years and owned and occupied the current property on July 1st in any given year. In certain cases, there is also a requirement that the applicant has lived in Massachusetts for the past 10 years. In some circumstances, if 2 or more persons jointly own a property and each qualifies for an exemption, they may be applied to a single property tax bill. For owners of a property in trust, trust ownership arrangement may affect qualification for a statutory exemption. Consult your attorney if these requirements pertain to you. As a general rule, an applicant must be a trustee and a beneficiary and submit a copy of a recorded trust instrument, including amendments, and a copy of the schedule of beneficiaries. Again, each one of these exemptions has different rules and regulations established by Massachusetts law. Please contact the Assessor's Office to discuss your eligibility with a staff member at 978-674-4200. Please note the impact of COVID-19 is not considered in the current tax bills. The real estate tax bill assessments always look back in time. Based on state law, the January 2021 property tax bill for fiscal year 2021 uses January 1st, 2020 as the date to determine values. Unfortunately, this will not consider the circumstances that are happening now. The impact of COVID-19 will not be part of the assessments until fiscal 2022. Now, we will discuss the second category, which is tax abatements. You may file an application for abatement with the assessing department after the first tax bill issue date. Applications for abatement are due no later than the first due date, which is February 1st. You may obtain an application by calling the assessing department. Reasons to file an abatement include over valuation based on an assessment date of January 1st of 2020. Disproportionate assessment in comparison with other properties. Classified incorrectly as residential, open space, commercial, or industrial real property. Partially or fully exempt. Please note that if you did not receive a fiscal 21 property tax bill, you should contact the assessor's office immediately at 978-674-4200 to receive a copy. We will be happy to send you one. Under state law, you are still responsible to pay your bill in full and on time, even if you did not receive the actual tax bill. I encourage you to visit the city's website at www.lowellma.gov and seek out the city staff from the departments for any necessary assistance. Thank you very much, and I hope that you have found this video to be helpful. Remember, we are always here to help you. Please call us at 978-674-4200. Thank you and stay safe.